So friends, hello. So our vlog Wanderers of Mumbai is full of entertainment with lot of information about all the places in and around Mumbai especially. And today we are at Nashik, and before coming to Sulawines, we have been to Trambakeshwar, and after taking a blessings of Lord Shiva, we are here at Sulawines. So Sulawines at Nashik is a very nice place for visitors. You can flaunt here yourself. There are no any limits. You can have grape wines of various varieties. So the entry fees here was rupees 800 per head. But the good thing is that we can redeem those points or reimburse those points from whatever expenses you incur inside on testing the wines, maybe purchasing the wine bottles, anything. So friends, I'll take you on a tour to Sula Vineyards. So just behind me is a place, just behind the amphitheater is this place. So we are going to enter this place and take a taste of different kind of wines. My favorite is white and red wine. Let's see what's yours. Stay tuned. So to tell you guys, the entry fees here today was 800 per head, and what they told us was we can redeem those 800 rupees per head on whatever beverages, drinks or restaurant expenses that we incur on, and let's see how it goes ahead. So stay tuned with us. Friends, before we enter Sula Vineyard to taste the wine, just take a look at the amphitheater. Every year Sula Fest is organized over here. This is the stage, rocking stage, which rocks during the Sula Fest season, and here are the toiletries, washrooms, and the Mexican Italian restaurant. The rooftop, solar top, you can see those are the restaurants. So we are about to enter the main restaurant area. I'll take you there and give you complete description about this. So guys, we entered from this area. This is a grape vineyard, and now we are going towards the main entrance to take the taste of great wines over here. This is a snap of Sula Fest, which I have told you previously. Hi friends, we had a tour on the restaurant. Now we came downstairs. Just here there are many selfie points. One being here on the walls, nice paintings. Behind those posters there are some refineries where the wine has been stored. Look at the crowd, they are enjoying. Literally this place is to enjoy. So do not miss to come to Sula Wines. Amazing place. Amazing place to wander around. So all of our afternoon is spent here and now we are looking forward for a beautiful evening and sunset. So stay tuned with us. Lot more things to come. So friends, let's explore few more selfie points. They're taking you to selfie points like this is an yellow frame. View the Sula life. Lot of people mingling around there for snaps. Today in an era of social media, people are more focused on their taking selfies, their favorite hobby. Now let's go to one more selfie point. You can see the grey field here. I believe this Sula Wines is spread over the 30,000, not 30,000 really, but 3,000 hectares of land. And grapes are grown here. And look at this selfie point, guys.
Take a walk on the wild side. Said, hey honey, take a walk on the wild side.
When you can see the huge wine bottles and people engaged in the photography. Amazing place, guys, amazing. This is my third time, but every time I visit here I feel really astonished. What a place, what a climate, what a time to hang around. It's fun all the time. Trust me guys, do visit Sula Wines. Look at the photographers. Mobiles and DSLRs, everyone hanging around. So friends, we are about to finish our vlog on tour to Sula Wines. So I'll give you 360 view of the nature. I'm impressed with artificial, man-made sculptures. Let it be bottle, whatever it is. But this was awesome. The overall ambience, the things, the blue sky and beautiful evening. Such an amazing place, guys. Such an amazing place. Loved it. Do visit Sula Wines. So friends, we come to our final stage of tour to Nashik, Sula Vineyard, and we are about to finish our tour. And stay safe, stay healthy till we come with our next vlog.